Hello and good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is Engineer Samuel Lake and welcome you to part 4 of our lesson on partial fractions. So in case this is your first time of venturing into partial fraction, I would advise you to go from lesson 1, visit lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. So and another thing I would like to tell you is that in case you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also click on the like button as well. And also what do apart from hitting the like button? Hit the like button and click on the bell icon, set it to all so that you always be notified whenever we upload a new video. And I assure you, definitely you're going to enjoy this class. So in our last lesson, I gave you assignments. I gave you 2. So I said I was going to solve the second one. So that's what I'm going to actually solve in this lesson right now. So this was the question. Express 3x raised to the power 3 minus x squared minus 13x minus 13 all over x squared minus x minus 6 in partial fractions. Now looking at this, the highest power in our numerator is 3. X is raised to the power 3, while in the numerator x is raised to the power 2. But the law of dealing with partial fraction is that the highest power in the denominator should be bigger than the highest power in the numerator, but this is the reverse. So when the reverse occur, what do? What you do is that you are going to divide, and when you divide, you will now you have a quotient, then you have a divisor, you have a remainder. So it's going to be quotient plus remainder over divisor. So we're going to use long division. Okay, so we go ahead with that. We have x squared minus x minus 6. Then we have 3 x raised to the power 3 minus x squared minus 13 x minus 13. Okay, so over here you have x squared in 3x cubed. X squared in 3x raised to the power 3 is going to give you 3x. Let's check that. 3x raised to the power 3 divided by x squared. X squared will cancel 2 of these and you are going to be left with 3x. Okay. 3x squared cube is the same thing as 3x times x squared. So x squared will cancel the x squared and you're left with 3x. Okay. So now x squared and 3x squared is what? 3x cubed is 3x. So you go ahead. 3x times everything, we'll multiply everything here. 3x times x squared will give you 3x cubed. 3x times minus x will give you minus 3x squared. 3x times minus 6 will give you minus 18x. So you will now perform the subtraction. You use what is on up here to subtract what is below. Okay, to subtract what is below. So 3x cubed minus 3x cubed, 0. Minus x squared minus 3x squared. Minus times minus is a plus. So you have minus x squared plus 3x squared. That is going to give you plus 2x squared. Then minus 13x minus 18x. Minus times minus is a plus. So you have minus 13x plus 18x. That will give you plus 5x. Okay? And next, what do? You bring this minus 13 down here. Okay. So next, can this divide this further? Yes, it can divide. So you have x squared into x squared is what? That will be 2. So you have plus 2. That is plus 2 actually. So 2 times x squared, you have 2x squared. 2 times minus x, that will be minus 2x. Plus 2 times minus 6, that will be minus 12. So you divide, subtract again. Up is going to subtract down. So 2x squared minus 2x squared, that's 0. No need of writing anything. Then plus 5x minus 2x. Minus times minus is a plus. So plus 5x plus 2x, that gives you 7x. Okay? Minus 13 minus 12. Minus times minus plus. So minus 13 plus 12 will give you minus 1. At this point, the power here is smaller. So x squared cannot go in 7x anymore. So this is our remainder. This is our divisor. And this is our quotient. So at the end of the day, we have that our equation originally, which was 3x minus x squared minus 13x, that is this equation, minus 13 all over x squared minus x minus 6 is equals to, our quotient is what? 3x plus 2 plus our remainder, which is 7x minus 1, all over our divisor, which is x squared minus x minus 6. So we've, at this point now, we've done the work. So the next thing we're going to do is that this is the part we are going to resolve into partial fraction. We are going to resolve that part into partial fraction. And that is what we are going to go into right away. So rubbing this off so as to have space. So I'm going to move this upward. We have this can be written as this form: 3x plus 2 plus 7x minus 1 all over x squared minus x minus 6. So clean this off. So now this is the part we're going to break down into partial fraction. We have 7x minus 1 all over x squared minus x minus 6. This is going to be equals to x squared minus x minus 6. We have to factorize this. This is going to be x minus minus 6 times 1 minus 2 times 3 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, this is plus 2. Plus 2 minus 3 will give you minus 1. Then plus 2 times minus 3 will give you minus 6. So we have that. We have x plus 2 and x minus 3. That is the factor of this, which I've already explained how you can solve. In case you still have challenges, let me know. I can teach you that in a separate video. So this is 7x minus 1. Okay, so at the end of the day, now the highest power here now is 1, while the highest power here is 2. X times x is x squared. So this is basically a over x plus 2 plus b all over x minus 3. Okay, so we expand. On expansion, when we expand this side, what is it going to give us? When we take the LCM, it's going to give us the LCM here is x plus 2 into x minus 3. The LCM is what? X plus 2 into x minus 3. So over here you have x plus 2, x plus 2 in x plus 2, x minus 3. X plus 2 cancels x minus plus 2, leaving you with x minus 3. X minus 3 times a, that will give you a into x minus 3 plus b. Okay, let me not jump straight ahead. Now for the other side, x minus 3 in the LCM, which is x plus 2, x minus 3. X minus 3 is going to cancel x minus 3, leaving you with x plus 2. So you have b times x plus 2, which is what I wanted to write initially. You have b into x plus 2. Okay, which is you have 7x minus 1 all over x plus 2 x minus 3. So this is actually, since denominator is equal to the denominator, it invariably means that the numerator is also equals to the numerator. This is an identity. So we can say that 7x minus 1 is the same thing as a into x minus 3 plus b into x plus 2 in brackets. So we now have to get the value of a and b. So we have to make a and b 0 one after the other to solve for the other one. So what will make a 0 here? For a to be 0, then this part has to be 0. And if x is equal to 3, 3 minus 3 becomes 0. 0 times a, 0. So when x is equal to 3, then you put 3 here where you have x. That will be 7 times 3 minus 1 equals to, everything here will become 0 because 3 minus 3, 0 times a, 0. Let's forget about that side. Just jump to this other part. Then you have b. X is what? 3. You have 3 plus 2. So 7 times 3 is what? 21 minus 1 equals to 3 plus 2, b. B times 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 times b gives you 5b. So 21 minus b 1 is 20. So 20 is equals to 5b. From here, b is equals to 20 divided by 5, which is b is equals to 4. So 5 times 1 will give you 20. That's 4. 5 times 1 will give you 20. That's 4. So b is 4. So let's put that here, that b is equals to 4. Now we have to solve for a. We've gotten our b, we have to solve for a using the same approach. So now when we solve for b, we made a 0. Now that we're going to, when we solve for b, we made a 0. Now we want to solve for a, we have to make b 0. What will make b 0 is the only thing that can make b 0 is when x plus 2 is become 0. Since this side is plus 2, minus 2 plus 2 will give you 0. So when x is minus 2, this automatically becomes 0. 0 times b, everything here will be 0. So when x equals to minus 2, so putting minus 2 here, you have 7 into minus 2 minus 1 equals to a into x is what? Minus 2 minus 3. Everything here is 0, so let's just forget about it already. Minus 2 plus 2, 0 times b, 0. Let's just forget about that. So 7 times minus 2 gives you minus 14 minus 1 equals to a. Minus 2 minus 5 gives you minus 5. Minus 14 minus 1 is minus 15 equals to minus 5a. So the minus can cancel the minus. So you have 15 is equals to 5a. 5 times 1 will give you 15. 5 times 3 gives you 15. So a is equals to 3, as 5 times 3 is what gives you 15. So that means a is actually 3. So a is equals to 3. We've solved a to be equals to 3. So now that we have our a, we have our b, we can go back to our expression. Okay, we can go back to our expression. Okay, so let's go back and resolve into partial fraction. So over here, our a is what? Our a is 3 over x plus 2. Our b is what? B is 4. Our b is 4 over x minus 3 equals to 7x minus 1 all over s plus 2 into x minus 3. So let's go back here. From here, we have that resolving this into partial fraction in this form, this is going to give us, let's put the 2 first. So we're going to have 2 plus 3x plus 7x minus 1 over x squared minus x minus 6. X squared minus x minus 6 is x plus 2 into x minus 3, which at the end of the day, 7x minus 1 over x squared minus x minus 6 is actually this part. So we add that part. We have 3 over x plus 2 plus 4 over x minus 3. Even though 3x comes first 42, it doesn't alter anything. So final answer resolving to partial fraction is this. This is our final answer there. So we've actually expressed this in partial fraction successfully. So this is lesson 4. In lesson 5, we're going to treat another kind based on a different rule. Another rule is going to come into play. So we're going to treat another type of partial fraction. So watch out for lesson 5. I actually appreciate your joining us with your pen and paper in this lesson, and I believe you've actually had a good time with me. So just go over the video once again. Even if you need to go through the video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, it doesn't matter. The more you go through, the more you are going to discover new things. You understand? Okay, so in case you're not subscribed to this channel, I will implore you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the like video. And in case you have any question, drop it in the comment section. In case you need a one-on-one lesson, you can contact me via my WhatsApp number. You can chat me up on WhatsApp, and I will be delighted to help you on a one-on-one. Now, this is just watch out for our next lesson. Thank you so much and bye.